and you look young, refreshed, glowy, and I don't know.
Yo. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, got a fucking mask on.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to go run some errands. So I just decided to sit down and do a quick no makeup look for you guys. And it's literally gonna be quick. This is exactly what I do when I'm trying to look like I don't have on any makeup, but I just want like a refreshed look. So, you know, where you like trick people where it's like, is she wearing makeup or does she just have good skin? That type of look. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I got lucky with not having super dark under eyes or like under eye bags, but I still have a little bit of something there. So what I'm going to use is this Juvia's Place concealer. It's in the shade Namibia, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. And then I have a little bit of discoloration around my mouth. And I have my mustache that I still haven't waxed. On all the areas where it's like slightly discolored, you want to apply this. And this is like a little hint darker than my complexion. And I'll show you why I do that. I think that's good. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to take Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is in Almond. And I'm going to go on top of that concealer that I used. The Juvia's Place that I used, I said it was concealer. It's actually foundation. It's a foundation stick by Juvia's Place, but this is Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Almond. And this is like a hint lighter than my complexion. I'm just going on top of what I applied from Juvia's Place. Just like a little bit. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and blend out, and I'm just lightly pressing it into my skin. You don't want to go overboard with the product because then it starts to settle into your fine lines, and then it just gives it away that you have on makeup. So you don't want to do that. Now what you're going to do is set. To set, I love using the Makeup Revolution or the Revolution Makeup, what is it? Okay, Makeup Revolution Bacon Blot. I love using this because it's super lightweight. And place it underneath my eye because I'm oily, so I like to get rid of the shine, but I'm not going to overdo it. I'm just going to use this to kind of set the concealer in place. So now I am going to bronze. Naturally, I would, if I had my foundation on and all that, I would bronze with something deep like Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty, but I'm trying to keep it subtle and sort of look like I just have a tan. So we are going to hit the areas the sun would naturally hit on the skin. So for that, I'm using one of my favorites. It's Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the summer. So what you're gonna do is just lightly tap into it, and you're gonna lightly go around the perimeter of your face. Because remember, this needs to look like you have just been outside baking in the sun. So for brows, I like to use the Revolution Pro Brow Pencil, and my brows aren't done, so I have to finesse them. So I'm going to carve out the shape of my brow. So now once I have this shape down, take the other end of it and just brush the hairs up. And then I'm going to take the Benefit Gimme Brow Brow Gel and just set my brows. So now what I'm gonna do is the eyes. I'm not really gonna do too much with the eyes because that's the part of your face that draws the most attention. So you wanna make sure that you keep that. If you're trying to do a natural look, you wanna make sure that you keep that as natural as possible. So what I'm going to do is take a black pencil. So this is by Pat McGrath. I'm just doing this toward the outer part of my eye. So now what I'm gonna do is put on some mascara. Now, my lashes are kind of in the struggling phase right now because I was getting extensions and pretty much ruined my natural lashes. However, I'm going to coat them with mascara, and I'm using the Nars Climax mascara. I'm gonna put a little bit on my bottom lashes too. Doing this also helps with creasing under your eye from the concealer. Your bottom lashes kind of covers it. Now for blush, you want something that's more flushed, but also something that gives like a nice summery look. So I'm going to use MAC. This is an old one. I'm going to use its MAC Raisin Blush. Now for highlight, I am going to use this NYX cream highlighter. I don't know if they have this anywhere anymore, but I will link an alternative one if I can't find this one. But I just like to put it on my finger and then lightly dab it on the high points of my face. Put a little in the inner corners of your eyes. This will help to kind of brighten your eyes a little bit, or make your eyes appear more open. Now we can actually curl our lashes. So I'm going to take my lash curler and just curl my lashes up. Now for lips, I'm going to use Brown Liner by NYX. Then I'm going to use Mauve Liner by NYX in the center of my lips, just a little bit. Now on top of that, I'm going to use a clear gloss, just to give you like that nice summery look. You can apply oil to your chest area if you're wearing a tank top or a halter top or a cutoff top. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on my décolleté. And that is it. As you can see, this is super simple. It's super easy for every day. And it's perfect for the summer because you don't have to worry about that super heavy makeup every single day, and you look young, refreshed, glowy, and I don't know. So that completes the final look. I'm gonna get out of here so I can get my errands ran, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!